Mercedes A-Class DSM unit W212, and it's something wrong with it because car was not possible to change gears. It's some communication fault or something like that. Now I try to open it. I have grinded out all silicone around, used some heat directing the silicone, because without heat it's too hard. And now try to open all screws, and we'll see, maybe I can open it. Going. Must clean a little more. All screws is open. So now try to start from some corner with some screwdriver. I have lifted up around all the way, but it's still not open, and suddenly I see here 100% here is one screw more. Yes. And yes, it's screw, and everything opens now. And let's see what we found inside. And we found nothing. No rust, no water, nothing. So what's wrong? Not sure. Maybe self-engine. And I found out that you must heat up. After it goes much more easier. two hands much more easy. So I take out this, and what I found, those contacts was jumped out very easy. Maybe it have bad connection. I not see nothing burnt, but maybe it's something bad connection and after it's not working. I damaged a little bit, but not too much, but something I reached a little bit with screwdriver, because, and also it's here connectors, and here it's quite easy, goes out. But I'm not sure. I was thinking maybe by this seal, this control unit will be full with water, but no, here is all good. So if you want open your, you can try like that. To take out this, I use some small screwdriver and just pop a little bit from this plastic. I go from this side, popped here, popped here, popped here, here, and here, and finally I pushed here, and it jumps out. So this is new type without gear, it's a belt. This ESM old type is with gear, and gear sometimes is wearing. Not lasts long. But this one looks good. Yes. So now I looked more and I see here is two motors, one big one, one small one. Could be that this small one have finished brushes. It's all possible that this small one is bad. But don't know. So like this.